What's up everyone? So I wanted to make a Jeep update video. I haven't done one of those in quite a while. Unfortunately, the Jeep is kind of down pretty good right now. And we got to replace the starter because we've had pretty much what I can just call like a whole rack of fun in this thing lately.
Super fucking crazy right here. Get out of the way. Alright, let's roll.
And I guess the starter doesn't like being submerged, supposedly. Who would have thought? So, time to get this baby in there, change out the starter, change out the oil. I can do that in this video, but we need an oil change, starter change. There's something in the suspension that's still kind of making a little weird noise. And eventually I do need to get another spare tire. But yeah, other than that, this thing's running pretty dang good. Just recently went to Hawama, so that's why the tent's up there. Yeah, let's change out the starter. So I don't know what the heck is going on with this freaking top bolt on the starter, but thankfully I have friends that are pretty good with this kind of stuff. So it's time to call in some reinforcements and circle back to this. Because it's Sunday and there's no reason to get frustrated on a Sunday or any day. That's just kind of my 2 cents. All right, let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can rally and we'll circle back. All right, so like I was saying, I needed some reinforcements to get the starter fixed on the Jeep. And Enrique was kind enough to come over and help me. Pretty much actually just do it all for me. So moment of truth right now. Let's see if it starts. Woo! Hell yeah! It's alive! Hell yeah. Badass. Thank you, sir.
Hell yeah.